buddy. I went to a model show and a model car swap meet. It was awesome. Now, bear with me. It was the Midwest Model Vehicle Association in St. Louis. Look at all these models. There was models from wall to wall. They had every scale you could think of in cars, like these big scales with tons of parts. I may end up doing one of those soon. Tons of promos. And some harder to find die-cast stuff. Some pre-built cars for sale. I even found a few of the models I've been after, like this 68 Firebird here. And this Lindbergh Hoppin' Impala has working hydraulics, or, simulated. Just going through some of the neat kits I saw there that I personally liked. It was awesome seeing Jimmy Flintstone come down for this event. He brought some of his resin bodies and his shifter knobs. I had to buy a body. Maybe just one. Now, since we were there so early, not all of the model car contestants had showed up. I only got pictures of a few, but here's some still pics so you guys can check them out. From what I saw, lots of great work. Now, on to what I'm working on in some of my projects. I was excited to get this ice cream truck from Iceman Collections. Went with the weathered look. I enjoy it. Looks cool. The kit comes with these awesome Pegasus wheels. I'm not done with it, but this is how far I've got. I'll make sure to update the channel when I'm done with this project. This is one I finished up a while back and caused quite a stir on TikTok. People showed lots of love and comments. It's pretty neat. Note the little quart of oil in the seat. If you look close enough, there's an axe and a chainsaw in there. Big thank you for watching. Guys, remember, like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications.